Hi, kindergarten families. I just wanted to do a quick little video explaining a little bit more about our Billtown 9 houses and badges and points and all that fun stuff, okay? So we're going to start with, this is actually a poster that I have hanging in my classroom that I took a picture of real quick so that I could kind of share who's in what house and what the houses are, okay? So first of all, we have the House of Courage, and that is Olivia with an A, and Katniss and Caleb, and their animal is the bear, okay? Next, we have the House of Creativity, and that is Miss Richmond, Bash, and Marley. And yes, all the teachers are in houses too. Oh, that's so cool. All right. And their animal is the dragon. Okay. Next is the House of Determination, and that is Denver and Gage, and their animal is the wolf. And next is the House of Empathy. We have Gabriel and Philip, and their animal is the butterfly. Next is the House of Honesty, which is the lion. That is Olivia with an O, and Carter. At the bottom of our chart, we have the House of Kindness for the dove, and that is Mrs. Tucker, and a raven and Whitney. We are in the House of Kindness. Next, we have the House of Respect, which is the elephant, and that is Baylor and Jackson. Next, we have the House of Responsibility for the owl, and that is Connor and Jaden and Mason. And then our last Billtown 9 house is the House of Perseverance, and that is Harper and Sophie. Okay, so if you could kind of talk with your child at home about what house they are, what that word kind of means, how they can show that word, okay? I know some of the words are kind of difficult. We've talked about courage, we've talked about creativity, and we'll talk about each one as the year goes on, but maybe if you can kind of talk a little bit more at home about it. Okay, now I want to get to our learner site. So on everybody's learner site, you should have their badge or their house. So if they're in the House of Perseverance, it should say House of Perseverance once you sign in where you do your check-in, okay? And what we have done with the help of Mr. Bender and Miss Richmond, we created badges, okay? So we had the idea, then Mr. Bender created the badges for us. And so we have all of these skills in kindergarten. And I used to make posters, and once you got that skill, I wrote your name on the poster, but this is way cooler, okay? So these badges are going to actually go on your learner site as you complete these different challenges, okay? So if you know how to tie your shoe, you have to prove that to us, and then you will get the shoe tying badge, and you will earn a pair of shoes, and you can post that on your learner site, or we'll post it for you, okay? But then you'll be able to see it. Once you learn your address, you have to know where you live, right? That's one of our life skills. Once you can tell us your address, then you earn a mailbox, and that will go on your learner site. Once you have learned all 60 sight words, so this doesn't have to be at the end of the year. If you know all 60 of them now, you have to prove that to us, and then you will earn a recipe, and you can put this on your site, okay? ABC challenge. So once you have learned all of your letters, uppercase and lowercase, when we show you to them, like in random order, and you'll earn a snack, okay? This one is the letter sound. So every letter has a sound. Some of our letters have two sounds, right? So once you have learned all of your letter sounds and can prove that to us, you will earn the letter sound card that looks like this, or the badge, and then you will also earn 10 points for your house, okay? Next, once you learn your phone number, so you have to know somebody's phone number, one of our other life skills, right? So once you have somebody's phone number, mom or dad's phone number, it can be their cell phone, you earn 5 points for your house, and you get your little phone number challenge badge. Next is the shape challenge, okay? So once you've learned all your 2D shapes and 3D shapes, which we haven't talked about 3D yet, but some of you still might know them, you'll earn 5 points for your house, and you'll earn this badge for your site. Next is the letter writing challenge. This is kind of a hard one. Once you have learned how to write all your uppercase letters and all your lowercase letters in random order, then you'll earn 5 points for your house, and you'll earn your letter writing badge. Next one is number writing challenge. Same type of thing. You have to write all your numbers from 0 to 20. You'll earn 10 points, and then you'll earn your number writing badge. Next is number recognition. So this is recognizing the numbers from 0 to 20. And then you'll earn 10 points for your house and your number recognition badge. Next is your birthday challenge. You have to know your birthday, right? Once you can tell us your birthday, you get 5 points for your house and your birthday badge. Next is the independent reading challenge, and this is worth 20 points, and this is huge. This is going to be maybe towards more the end of the year, but this is if you can read a book on your own. Okay, very cool. So that's my update. I'm out of time. Thanks for watching. Earn those points, earn those badges.